guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a very highly requested video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my hijab. So I've been getting so many requests from people through DM on Instagram, YouTube comments, and even people in my personal life just wondering how I style my hijab. So yeah, I thought I would create a tutorial so you guys can see. So I like to wear Maxi Hijabs. They're really big and super full coverage, so if that's something that you're interested in knowing how to do and how to style, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright you guys, so step one is you're going to need a Maxi Hijab because I honestly only wear Maxi Hijabs. The one that I am using today is by Bess McKay, and it's like this really cute maroon type of color. I know that she doesn't sell Maxi Hijabs anymore, and I'm so sad about that because I love her hijabs. But another place where you can get Maxi Hijabs is Haute Hijab, and I'll make sure to have it linked down below. I love their hijabs, you guys. They're so gorgeous. So for curiosity, for those wondering, the material of this hijab is 50% or 15% wool and 85% cotton. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right in and show you guys how I like to wrap my hijab. So pretty much you have your hijab right here. You can see it's super long, you guys. Like it goes really like this is how long it is. This is the width. Like it's not even fitting on the screen. But pretty much what you want to do is fold the top part kind of inwards like that. So you want to create kind of a little bit more coverage, and you want to have like that nice clean edge when you wrap your hijab. So you want to just do that, and you want to start with one end of the hijab. So we're at one end, and you want to basically place the end on top of your head just like that. So you want to have like a really short side like this, and then you have the entire hijab on the other side. Sorry if I keep looking at the viewfinder, I just need to make sure that everything is showing up. So what you want to do is you want to secure this in place so this doesn't move around. I like to go in with like a really tiny safety pin, and what I do is I just pin this in place right here, but I pin it underneath. So you want to just grab this and pin this in place so that the hijab doesn't move. Just like that. So you have it secured and you're good to go. So now that you have a super short side and like the entire hijab on the other side, what you want to do is bring the entire hijab forward. So I have it right here, and you want to grab this side. So you have, of course, the fold in here, and you want to wrap this around on top of your head. Ooh. And you can see I still have that fold that we created at the very beginning. And then what you want to do is just kind of place this on top just like that. So you're gonna have that length over here, and you have all of that coverage for your chest. I'll stand up so you guys can see. So you've got kind of something like this. Okay, so you're gonna see there's like all this fabric just hanging. We're gonna take care of it. What you want to make sure is that the end and how big you have it here kind of match. So you can see that they're aligned so that it kind of has like a smooth finish. And then what you want to do is just kind of play around with this and make sure that you're happy. I like to have kind of like a point, so I always make sure to do that. And again, I know there's like this huge gap right here. We're gonna take care of it, don't worry. And just tuck in any hairs. I always have baby hair sticking out, it's so annoying. All right, so next what I do is I want to get rid of this huge like hole, right? I wanna have that coverage. So what I like to do is first of all, you wanna make sure you have a big safety pin. I have one like this. Typically before I used to use smaller ones, and I would always like get the safety pin like stuck in my hijab, and then it would like make holes in my hijab. So I find like using really big ones kind of saves you from ruining your hijabs. So what you want to do is you want to take this huge hole and you want to fold this part in, and then you want to grab this side just like that and kind of put it in place. And this way you can kind of adjust how big you want, like, you know, this part to be, like how tight you want it to be. I kind of like it. I like to be able to put kind of 2 fingers here just so I have like space to breathe. I don't really like it when it's too tight. It makes me uncomfortable. And then where you're holding in place right here, you want to just go in with the big safety pin and pin it in place. Just like that. And then you can just smooth it out. And again, adjust it as you need. So the last thing you want to do is just pin the sides, and to do so I like to go ahead in with these little pins right here, and pretty much what you want to do is grab each side of your hijab, and you want to make sure this is kind of aligned, and you want to just take the pin underneath and just pin it in place. And then you kind of have like that nice triangle going on. I love that. I feel like it frames my face so beautifully. And if you're someone who doesn't like your undercaps sticking out, I don't really like that, you can just tuck it in. So that's just kind of what I like to do. Alright you guys, so I'm just gonna back up and just stand up and show you guys how full coverage this style is. And of course, depending on the hijab size that you're using, so mine are maxi, they're very big, so I get like full coverage in my chest and even a little on my stomach, but if your hijab isn't as big, of course it will kind of sit like more higher up. So it's all personal preference, you guys. This is my personal preference, so I'm sure this style works with smaller hijabs. I think I've done that before in the past, like in high school and stuff, so it is possible, but I just want to show you guys kind of how it looks for me with the full coverage. So when you stand up, you can see how much coverage you get. Of course, it goes all the way down, and I just love that. I feel like I'm comfortable, I feel like I have coverage, and it's just super modest. So yeah, and of course you can kind of fold the hijab and make it like, again, shorter, so it's like higher up. It's wherever you want your hijab to sit. Alright guys, so that is the end of the tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want me to do more hijab tutorials, different styles, different hijab materials, patterns, whatever it is, just make sure to comment down below and let me know. And if you like this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.